Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be making a science experiment with Gage. My dad's behind the camera.
Hi.
And welcome back to doing science with Dad. And today we are doing a vegetable oil, tap water, any type of water. Food coloring, use any, and Alka-Seltzer. We have 2 packets just in case this doesn't work. Also, we're going to try 10 drops of this. If that doesn't work, just put in more.
Move it around. Don't get it on the glass though, just enough. There you go.
Is that enough?
Yep, keep going.
Is that enough?
Yep, keep going.
Tell me when it's enough.
That should be enough.
Okay. And do you mix it or do you just put the Alka-Seltzer in?
Go ahead and drop one of the Alka-Seltzer tabs in.
Okay. What does Alka-Seltzer do?
It's for an upset stomach.
Oh.
This should be pretty cool.
I don't like Alka-Seltzer.
You've never had it.
No, it smells bad.
All right, so we're gonna drop one drop in. Hold on.
Like a whole tablet?
Yep. Go ahead.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Whoa. Whoa. Dad?
Yeah.
What the heck is it doing? Dad, can we put more vegetable oil in?
Check it out, man. That's pretty slick.
Can we put more vegetable oil in?
We can try.
Yeah, put some more in.
But we'll have to do it another time. Put the other one in. That's really neat.
Oh, God. Dang, can I put my finger in?
You'll dye your finger.
I know. I can wash it off.
Go ahead.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. I feel like it's dissolving my finger right now.
That's really cool.
It feels like I'm dissolving my finger. Whoa. I haven't put my hand in vegetable oil since 1982.
1982. Here.
Whoa. Oh my.
All right, Gage, get your hands out of the vegetable oil, please.
Holy.
That was really cool.
So if you guys want to try this, just go to the link down below or just try this trick for yourself.
Tell them what they got to do.
So what you want to do is put water and vegetable oil in, right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
And then what you want to do...
The vegetable oil sits on top of the water.
Yeah, so what you want to do is also get food coloring and Alka-Seltzer. And what you want to do is pour 10 drops of food coloring in and then the Alka-Seltzer tablet. And you just make yourself a good science experiment.
So what do they like and subscribe?
Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment, do whatever you want, and see you next time.
Notification bell.
Oh yeah, notification bell, and bye.
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 See you next time.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Cooking with Dad with Gage, and right now we're going to be trying, from our last thing, we're going to be trying more vegetable oil and more water. And with red food coloring. So what you want to do is just put in the food coloring again.
We're trying red to see if it has a better effect as far as a visual effect. And we're trying more vegetable oil. That way it has further to travel.
Is this good?
Nope. Keep going. That should be good. That's good.
One more drop.
One more.
Now just put your normal Alka-Seltzer in.
Alka-Seltzer.
And let's see what this... Oh my god, no, that's purple.
Okay. Maybe it is purple. Drop it.
Now this is going to be looking like a lava lamp. Whoa, this is a lava lamp.
That's awesome.
That's actually a lava lamp. So if you want to try this with a bottle, you can try it. Whoa, is that like the force just coming up? Do I have that napkin back?
That's really cool. Throw the other one in. Yep, it's definitely purple.
Why does it look like pink then?
I don't know.
Whoa. Ah! Make sure you wear your bathing suit if you're actually trying to do this. Dang, that's a way how you can make your own lava lamp.
Pretty neat, huh?
I'm not actually gonna do it. But dang, this is a cool trick. If you want to drink it, go for it. I'm just saying it's toxic. I mean, you can drink vegetable oil, but I'd rather not because it tastes... Yeah, it tastes disgusting. So do not drink it unless you want to just do bad stuff. Make sure to like the video and comment, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.